What is up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here from MGMClassicCars.com, Addison, Illinois. And today I'm bringing you this new arrival, and this one's pretty special. 1967 Chevrolet Camaro. Looks like a really custom color, like a lizard skin green, one of Mr. Jenkins' personal favorite colors. Man, what a gorgeous paint job. Shines bright in the sun. You remember, everybody, green means go, and this car does go. In fact, 396 big block turbo 400 rear trans, 12-bolt rear end, power disc brakes in the front. This car is a great cruiser, and it's a ton of fun to drive. Lizard skin green, complemented with that white interior. Tilt steering column. I'm going to show you what this baby sounds like. As you can hear, it sounds awesome. Retro sound radio, you got all your music there. The interior, really nice. That white really complements that green. You got some speakers back here. The radio sounds great. Nice floor shifter in the console. Custom gauges. Nice custom steering wheel. Like I said, tilt column. Just an awesome car. Doors close nicely. All the body gaps line up great. This car was just completed a few years ago, a complete restoration. Everything was redone. Body panels seem to appear original the way they line up. Not sure, but you can tell this car was never in a fight, because man, is this car really nice the way this body presents itself. The trim, really nice, shines bright. The glass in great shape. Go ahead and open this trunk. Just a second here, folks. Here's your trunk. As you can see, everything really nice back here. Nothing special, they didn't put anything back here, but everything was really well done back here. You got your correct mat and correct paint. Overall, really nice. And like I said, it presents itself very well. Nice SS gas cap. Dual exhaust. Let's get under there. See what she's working with. 12-bolt rear end dual exhaust. Got some nice traction bars on the leaf springs there. Eliminate your wheel hop when you want to take off in this car. Just take a look at that gorgeous paint. It has me in awe. 396 badging all there. SS white stripe complements the green and looks great. The engine bay completely painted and redone. There's your 396 big block. Everything chrome. One of our cars right there in our inventory. There's your Power Master cylinder booster. Just really nice under here. Summit Racing multi-spark discharge ignition. Just really nice under here. Aluminum radiator, of course. I'm going to go ahead and close the hood so you can see this car in all of its beauty. What a gorgeous car. One of a kind for sure. That's... try and find another one like this. Whoever did this car, they really took their time and they did everything correctly. The car drives great and runs great. If you are interested in this gorgeous 1967 Chevrolet Camaro, please contact us at 847-848-1850. Again, that's 847-848-1850. Or visit mgmclassiccars.com. You can view all of our inventory and photos of this car as well. Our business hours are 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. Saturday 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. all by appointment only at our warehouse, which this car is located at. Remember, we also offer special financing for these classic cars with great monthly payments and shipping all over the United States, open and enclosed, bonded and insured. Be sure to keep checking the website and keep checking the YouTube channel to see what cars we get in next, because we get new cars in almost daily and you're not going to want to miss a thing. My name is Mr. J. Kazet. It's been a pleasure showing you this 1967 Chevrolet Camaro. Remember, it looks great here, but it'll look a whole lot better in your garage, everybody. Hope to see you here soon, and I hope everyone has a great day. Bye-bye, and thank you again for watching.